Today we are talking about groupings by 25s, 5s, and 1s, okay? So, if you look on page 19, you see that it says a box of 25 bagels, a box of 5 bagels, and a box of 1 bagel, right? Okay, read the little sentence at the top. At Barba's Bagel Bakery, Bob packs bagels into boxes that hold 25 bagels, 5 bagels, or 1 bagel. Okay? So, these charts up top, listen, these little diagrams up top are going to help you if you need help figuring out how many of each box. So you have to think, how many of you, just raise your hand, no talking, how many of you have gone to a donut shop before and picked out donuts? Okay. Joseph looked at me like, no. So, when you go to a donut shop, a lot of times they will put, if you order 12 donuts, they put it in the 12 box, right? They're not going to give you 2 6 boxes, right? Yeah. They give you the bigger box because it holds them all. But if I order 18 donuts, I'll get it in a 12 box and a 6 box. Does that make sense? Yeah. So, and then say I got 14 donuts, right? Then my 6 box wouldn't be full, right? So, what?
I think we should have a donut party.
Okay, so listen. So, at the bottom it says, bagels come to Bob on a tray. Bob always fills the largest box possible and makes sure each box is full. So we're not going to get any half-full boxes, okay? For each tray of bagels, how many boxes of each size does Bob fill? Complete the table. So, we have this table. Alright, so now you guys are going to pretend that you are Bob the Baker, okay? So put on your baker hats and get ready to figure this out, okay? So, did you say Mamma Mia? Anyway, so our first order came in, okay? Alright, Bobs, our orders are in. We need 27, what are they, bagels. I want to say donuts. 27 bagels, okay? So we're Bob the Bagel Baker, okay? We need to figure out how many boxes we need, okay? So, if we have 25 or more, we will be able to put it in the 25 box. Do we have 25 or more?
Yes.
Yes. So we know we'll need 1. Will we need 2? Is there 50? No. So we just need 1. Well, 27 minus 25, we still have how many left? 2. If we still have 2 left, well, 2 is in a full box of 5. So we would need 2 boxes of 1s. Okay? So we would need 0 here. So we would need a box of 25 and a box of 2. Or 2 boxes of 1, sorry. You need to write that down.
When I look at it every time, it kind of looks like a diagram that equals to 102.
Yeah, it does kind of, doesn't it? Alright, now we're at 10. Do we have enough to put in a 25 box? No. Okay, what about our 5s? Yes. How many boxes of 5s do we need? 2, because 2 times 5 is? 10. So we need 2. Now, do we have any left over? No, so we don't need any in our 1s box. Make sense? Now, this is a pretty simple lesson to begin with, right? It's pretty straightforward, pretty to the point. It gets the job done, right? So now let's look at 53. Be careful here. How many boxes of 25 will we need for our 53, Grace?
2.
Bella just got excited. Will we be able to fill up a box of 5? No. How many do we have left, Mary? We have 2 boxes of 25, that's 50, right? So 3. So we need 3 boxes of 1. I'd be kind of annoyed if I got 3 boxes of 1 bagel. Alright, now we have 9. Do we have enough for your 25 box? No. What about a 5 box? Do we have more than 5? Yes. How many do we need?
4.
How many boxes of 1 do we need? Or 5 do we need?
1.
1. Because 1 times 5 is 5. 9 minus 5 is what?
4.
4. So a good way to do this is to check your work. Okay, if I have 1 box of 25, that's 25. And I have 2 more, that's 27, right? So now let's look at this one. I just have 2 boxes of 5. 2 times 5 is?
10.
And we needed 10. So that's good, that's good. Now, if I have 2 boxes of 25, how many is that, Ben? 2 boxes of 25. 2 times 25 is? 50 plus 3. Boy Lamb, what's 50 plus 3?
50 plus 3 is 53.
Good. And then we have 1 box of 5, so we have 5. And 4 more. 5 plus 4 is what, Sweet? What's 5 plus 4? Good, 9. So, we don't have to do the explain to your partner because we just did it together. We know how we did it, right? Now, oh, I didn't put my check mark? There we go. All right. So look at Home Links page 21. Okay? Home Links page 21. And you guys are going to be doing pretty much what we did up here, but it's not going to be in a table form. Yes. You should. We'll cross that bridge in a second. Hold on. All right. So you're doing the same concept just without the chart or the table, okay? So look at the instructions. It says Alfie is ordering table tennis balls for the recreation center. Table tennis is ping pong, okay? So he's ordering ping pong balls. A box equals 10 balls, okay? 10 ping pong balls, okay? But a carton holds 10 boxes. So 1 carton equals 10 boxes, not balls. If there are 10 boxes and each box has 10 in it, who can tell me how many that is? Keegan?
100.
Good. So 1 carton also equals 100 balls, okay? Make sense?
Yes.
All right. So it says, I'm looking off your paper.
What then?
So listen, it says how many table tennis balls are there in 1 carton? I just said cotton. We just answered that. Write it down.
I said cotton, and then I
We just said it. Write it down.
Where should we write it? I think they just heard you. Write what down? Oh,
I didn't pause it, so yeah. Alright, and then number 2 says Alfie ordered 7 cartons and 3 boxes. So he ordered 7 cartons, but then 3 more boxes. Okay? So it says, how many balls did he order? You have to figure that out. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. You have to figure it out. In a minute. Hold on. Then you're going to say, explain how the cartons and boxes for table tennis balls are like. Okay, so here it says how they are like the digits for numbers in our base 10 number system. A base 10 number system is when you have the base 10 block, right? Each box is like 1 block, right? Each carton is like the 100 square. Understand? So that's how you are going to relate it and explain it for number 3. Make sense? Yes, no, bobbleheads. Thank you. And my bobbleheads are still perfect. Do you have a question?
Were we supposed to put the 100 on the first line?
Yes. Okay, then you are doing the practice. You will want to use the space in the back. Okay? You will want to use the space on the back to be able to solve these as needed. Do you have a math question? What?
The cartons.
Yes. Yes.
Do we have to do it in the back? Can we do it in our head?
You don't have to, but if you want to check your work. Okay? Sweet? Yes, you will rip it out and turn it in unless you're at home, then leave it in your book and take a picture and submit it online to the math section. Thank you.